Yo, good morning everybody. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and today I'm just ripping a new vlog just because I'm like, yo, I gotta vlog more. I gotta put out more videos for you guys. So in today's vlog, we're just gonna wing it. We're gonna see how it goes. There's no plan today, but I'm gonna take you along on a typical Friday. So today there's some stuff that we gotta do here and there, but first things first, we gotta make sure we work out. Now, the last week, there has been some crazy stuff going around in the Bay Area. Storm surges, flooding, raining, all this stuff, just nastiness. So today is our first day where we're not gonna have rain. So the rest of the week, we're gonna have more rain. So today, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna be outside. Okay, so now we're on the walk. I started at the base of this kind of hill or mountain. I don't know what you want to call it, but every morning I walk this and I try to think of a couple things. First thing is I just like to make my plan for the day so I know what to do. And I also like to think of just life goals, what I want to accomplish for the year, etc., etc. So now that it's 2023, I want to ask you guys, what is your New Year's resolution, or what are your new goals for 2023? Are they the same as 2022, or are you changing up the plan a little bit? Now, my main goal is, first of all, to take more calculated risk. I just invested in a really expensive machine with wet media. It's an embroidery machine to help kick off our embroidery business. Now, the embroidery machine that we had before, it was good and everything, but it was a single needle. So all the colors that needed to be embroidered, the thread would have to get switched out. So that was a little bottleneck that happened in our process. So to be more efficient, we have to invest in a more expensive machine. All right, y'all, we made it to the top. This is the view right here. I always show you guys this view, but I literally cannot get enough of it. This is the dream house right here. Look at the view that person has. Crazy. So I have talked to a couple homeowners. I see them sometimes here and there. I literally walk here every day, so there's people that I see pretty often, and it seems like there's a ongoing thread with most of them. So most of them are business owners. They're not people that work a typical 9 to 5. They're either entrepreneurs, they own their own business, yada yada yada. So it's kind of interesting to just interact with these people because, man, I want to soak up some success too. I want to soak up some knowledge so I could be like y'all one day. All these people, I want to be like y'all one day. So that's why I do this walk. This walk is my morning motivation. This reminds me of the ultimate goal that I'm working towards eventually in my lifetime. It's very inspiring to see this, because this just shows me that it is possible. If it wasn't possible, people would not be living here. It would be empty. But obviously there's people that live there. It's possible. They did it. Now I got to figure out how I can do it. Okay guys, we're back now with David Got Kicks. We're about to go tour an office space, potential office space, just to see what's out there, you know, because this opportunity came up. So David and I are just gonna look. I don't know if I'm gonna record. I'm gonna try to, but
no, you're gonna record.
I am.
Yeah. Oh, you are recording.
I am recording.
I didn't know you can make videos on your iPhone.
Okay, we came here for the donuts, really. Let me take that one. I'm gonna take that one right there. Little bathroom over here. Okay. Let's see what we got over here. This is kind of small.
Huh?
This is small.
Yeah. Imagine.
But
sitting here.
no, like this wouldn't be here though. You know how many you know how many crotch trims you'd be able to put in here, dude?
Yeah. No, I would need to. If I'm gonna fill all my crop terms in here, I need to get rid of the TV.
Yes.
Get rid of this white art.
Yes. And the stupid table.
Stupid table.
Okay.
I would need to drill a pegboard. Nah, this is cool, but I don't think I could use this for my crop trim business. Probably like another business, but
It's just too small for it?
unfortunately. Well, yeah. Because it's like, okay, am I just gonna bring all my crop trims in here and just do the work here when I can just do it up there? I mean, it would be cool to have that extra space up there, but
But what would you do with the space, you know?
Nothing.
Exactly.
But it just looks cool that it's empty, you know?
Yeah. Okay, wait, I think I need to explain. So, if you guys didn't know, our apartments are pretty small and we work out of our apartments. So sometimes it could get a little crazy sometimes where it looks like it's just too much going on. So that's why our apartment, I guess, is offering these like little offices. So we were thinking like, okay, maybe we could just trap out of here, but to trap out of here is kind of hard because it's so small in this. And it's not really that private because this is the most private one because it's surrounded by walls and everything. But this glass window doesn't have there's no shades on it. So basically anyone can walk up. This is like shared with 9 other offices or something, and they can just look at what you're doing.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. If you were to get one of these spaces, what would you use it for?
Well, dude, if I didn't get that couch that I just got, if I put my sewing machine down here, I would have like extended the couch longer to be like against the wall, like how you guys have it. But now it's like there's no point doing that.
Do you think they would let you bring like a sewing machine in here?
I don't see why not.
We got this whack table here.
Get rid of this whack table. It serves no purpose. Maybe it does serve a purpose.
So
I wouldn't bring shoes though.
Yeah, of course not.
No shoes. A sewing machine might be okay because it's like,
they said they don't want any real business conducted in these rooms.
I think they meant like people coming in and out. You sleep, you live business, right? You close your eyes, you wake up, boom, you see Croc charms. Sometimes you just need a break, you know? You need to separate your lifestyle from your business lifestyle. Wait, let's go talk to Steve.
Whoa, they have one of these red doohickey things. I don't want it that hot in here. Especially since you're standing so close to me.
What's for lunch, dude?
What's up?
What's up?
Okay,
Dude.
If you start renting out one of these spots,
yeah,
you can't be asking questions like, what's for lunch? Because that lunch money now is going to here. So no more hot pot.
No, what? Dude, $500 it shouldn't that much.
Okay.
Thank you. That was good. This is what it looks like out here. So we just got in David's apartment, and this is how his apartment looks, just in one corner. So you see the amount of charms that he has. So that's why we were like, oh, maybe we could do something. Maybe not. I don't know. But this is what Hypebeast R Us HQ be looking like these days. Okay.
Hey guys, I'm David. Welcome to a day in the life. Today I'm going to show you how we fulfill our Croc charm orders. Let's go. Ah!
Whose is that?
It's yours. You're the only one that uses that.
It's not mine. I don't use this color.
Wow, I literally got all of this.
You're
Oh my god. David got kicks.
Exposed.
Exposed. Oh my gosh. What do you have to say for yourself?
Nothing. Because
a dog will always be a dog, right?
just because you put a leash on a dog, he's still a dog.
Woo! Woo!
It's probably Kiana's then, because she's the last one to sit back there.
Kiana doesn't wear it. She doesn't have eyelashes.
Okay, then it's yours. And
She doesn't use that color.
well, it's yours. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. If you can't trust me, then I guess that's it.
Who is this guy?
No, I agree with you. Trust is the foundation of any solid relationship.
Yeah. You think they can just build a house without trust? No, they need that trust. They need that foundation.
A little hot pot for lunch over here. Cannot wait to dive in. Oh my god. What's wrong, David?
The meat's not out yet.
Alright guys, just got back, got my hair cut, looking fresh. I always feel great after a haircut, so I make sure to do that every single week. Now I also picked up a couple things, one being these Air Max 90 infrareds from 2010. Wow. 2010, they look like this, My homie Josh gave me these for free because they don't fit him anymore. And I'm like, dude, these things are amazing. So I ended up giving him a little bit of cash just because I was like, dude, that's a nice shoe to be giving me. And he also came back from the Philippines. So he brought back the Beat Us. This is a childhood classic. I've literally been friends with him for over 20 years. He also brought back some Ding Dong. So it's all like snacks that we would eat as kids. Haven't tried this one, but make sure to try that out. Wow. So many corn snacks here. Shout out to all my Pinoys and Pinays. So we just did an unboxing right here for Hat Club. They sent this out. Beautiful. Wow. David helped me film everything. So as you all may know, Valentine's Day is coming up pretty quick. So I've been just working on products for Valentine's Day, and it requires me to use this laser cutter right here. So that's what I'm doing for the rest of the night. Got a lot of work to do. I got laundry basically going. I got this going, and I'm gonna do some other stuff in the meantime. So gotta cut this out first. And basically that is just my holder for this part right here. So each of these is custom made. It's gonna have different people's names on it and different dates and stuff like that. So I have to do each of these one by one. If you guys would like to cop one, I have a link in the description, and the link will also show how the product looks and everything like that. I'll try to put up a little video on the screen to show you guys what the final product looks like. But yeah, it's basically a LED night light for you guys. Put your dates and everything. That's the anniversary date right there. I am going to cut it right there. Okay, I'm on one of the last ones for the night. So I just want to show y'all how it works on a blank one, so I'm not showing anybody's information and all that stuff in case it's a gift. So yeah, basically this comes with its own controller right here. This is a stand, and then the heart says the name and the dates and everything. So there's 4 different modes and I think 16 different colors on this one. And there is a plastic film on it right now for laser engraving, so that's why it looks a little cloudy. But basically, you could go through, change all the colors, go through it like that, or you could use the remote. We got different colors here, different colors, brightness, you could dim it. So yeah, man, this is what it looks like. Do y'all ever just feel like there's just an endless amount of stuff to do? Like, I literally been finishing tasks here and there, but the problem with me is that I love to just create more and more work for myself. So while I was doing the laser printing, I was washing my bed. So that's in the washer and dryer right now. I've been folding clothes. I cleaned my bathroom. I vacuumed the floor. I'm getting back to customer emails right now. I'm about to edit this video right here. I still gotta go to the gym. It's an endless amount of work that needs to be done, and that's just how I live my life. That's how I like to schedule my work. But today was just a random vlog. I just wanted to make sure I recorded something, and I feel like I gotta leave y'all with something special. Like, the golden nugget needs to be left at the end of every video. The main piece of advice that I'm gonna leave y'all with today is: comparison is the thief of joy. Be careful comparing yourself to other people, man. With social media, it's very, very, very easy to do that. Compare yourself and say, hey, man, why does this person have this? Why is this person able to do this? How come I don't have as much as this person? I don't do as much as this person. What? It's just a bunch of bull. The problem with that mindset is that it's not realistic. When you're comparing yourself to others, especially through social media is already so fabricated, including this video. This video is fabricated, man. I edited this video. What you see is not how it looked completely, because I edit a lot of my mistakes out. People make mistakes when I record. I jumble up my words. Sometimes I lose my train of thought. But when you see the video, it looks perfect. It looks like it almost goes completely through, right? So for this part, I'm just going to leave this part unedited, and I'm just going to talk to you guys about comparisons. So Yeah, man. When you're just comparing yourself to people through something that's just so fabricated, it's very easy to just get yourself in a mindset where you put yourself down when you compare yourself to other people that have much more than you or seem to have much more than you. But at the end of the day, we just got to understand that every single person has their own time. Every single person works at their own pace. And whether you're winning in life right now or not, your time will come eventually, right? There's some people that have their crazy years more when they're young, and there's people that have crazier years at the end of their life. It really depends, bro. It really depends on who you know, the type of situation you're in, a little bit of luck, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. It's just a whole concoction. It's like making a dish from scratch, right? So we're all people here. We're all throwing ingredients in the pot, and we're seeing how it turns out. But that's what I want to leave you guys with today. Be careful comparing yourself to other people. I try my best to not do that. I just take it for what it is. Like, hey, man, you got a cool car. You're able to go on a vacation. Amazing. I would love to do that. That is my goal as well. So let me figure out how to do it. There's no comparison. There's no, why do I have to do this? Or cut that. Cut that. Comparison is the thief of joy. I'm going to leave you guys off with that. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.